Cybertruck fans, welcome. Brian from T-sportline. Got another truck to share with you. I don't even know where to start with this one. Between the wheels and the wrap that's on this thing looks really cool. Let's start with the basics. On the wrap, this is Inozetek Satin Midnight Moss. It's paint protection film. And the color, Satin Midnight Moss, it's a green hue. It's in our green family, but depending on what angle in the sunlight, you get this very tactical gunmetal gray, hard anodized look. It meshes and merges green with gray and looks super cool. And it's satin. It just looks like the whole truck has been anodized. If it was like a military device, looks great on the Cybertruck. Now, moving on to the wheels. 24-inch, fully forged monoblock, CTM wheels, finished in satin black. We don't do enough talking about these. The design language is perfect on Cybertruck, and this floating center cap is just that extra detail. As you're driving, that T-sportline logo stays flat. It doesn't rotate with the wheel. It's just a cool detail that accentuates that you've got a special personalized truck. This thing is awesome. Got a factory Tesla light bar up there. Can't wait to see this thing rolling around on the streets. We all know the Cybertruck is made from stainless steel, but this Inozetek Satin Midnight Moss PPF gives it that exotic metal look. It's almost like if you're into fancy or exotic watches, this is something you would see on a high-end watch. Really cool stuff. All right, everybody, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more Cybertrucks to share with you.